In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Gearbench and Arc Raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you need, and how to complete the installation without any confusion. First, you need to be in Speranza. This is the central hub where you handle upgrades, crafting, and other key management tasks, so make sure your character is physically there before you start. Once you're in Speranza, look toward the top of your screen and open the workshop. This is the area where you manage stations and utilities for your setup. If you don't see it right away, give the interface a moment to load or move your cursor to the upper portion of the screen. Workshop is what you're looking for. Inside the workshop, find the plus sign. That plus sign is the Add New Station button, and it's how you expand what you can build. Click it to open the list of available stations. From here, locate the Gearbench. It might be listed among other workstations, so scroll if you need to. The Gearbench is the spot you'll use for gear-related crafting and improvements, so it's worth getting this set up early. Before you install, check your materials. You'll need 25 plastic parts and 30 fabric to complete the installation. These are common crafting resources you pick up as you progress. If the install option is grayed out, it usually means you're short on one of these materials. Keep an eye on your inventory count so you're not stuck at the final step. Once you've confirmed you have 25 plastic parts and 30 fabric, you're ready to install. Highlight the Gearbench and hold the install button. Don't just tap, hold it down until the progress completes. You'll see a brief confirmation, and then the Gearbench will be available in your workshop. That's the entire process. Be in Speranza, open the workshop at the top of the screen, hit the plus sign, select the Gearbench, make sure you've got 25 plastic parts and 30 fabric, and then hold the install button. After it's placed, you can interact with the bench right away. If you run into any hiccups, double check that you're in Speranza and that your materials meet the requirements. Those 2 points resolve most issues. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps at your own pace, and you'll have the Gearbench installed quickly and cleanly, setting you up for smoother gear management in Arc Raiders.